down, dude. Interesting. Ain't that something? I just picked up a couple more charges, friend.
On July 7, 2025, officers from the Albuquerque Police Department responded to a late-night disturbance involving two young women in a public parking lot. What began as a minor incident quickly spiraled out of control. From the very start, this traffic stop feels tense. The officers try to stay calm, but there's a clear wall of attitude coming from both girls.
Sit down.
You know what? Step out of the vehicle. You guys can't be sitting together.
Why?
Because I said so. Roll down the window. Roll the window down.
Roll it all the way down.
All the way. Yes, it is a law, right? Or you can step out the vehicle. You know what? Step out the vehicle. I'm telling you, step out the vehicle. Yes, I'm giving you a lawful order to step out the vehicle. I'm not going to tell you again, but I'll just pull you out.
I don't think you can pull something.
Oh yeah? You just committed a crime at peeing in public, okay? So next time I suggest don't flip us off when you're committing a crime.
When one of the girls refuses to give her real name and starts joking around, you can see the officer's patience starting to crack. These small defiant acts might feel harmless, but they set the stage for everything that follows.
Okay, just don't act stupid like that. Where's your ID?
I don't have an ID.
You
I'm
don't have
not
an
from
ID.
here.
Have a seat on that ledge. What's your name?
Jelly.
What is it?
Jelly.
What's your actual name?
Jelly.
What does it say on your ID?
Jelly.
Spell that.
Jeli.
What's your last name?
G.
Don't fuck with me, dude.
Step away from the driver's side with the front. I'm gonna put your handcuffs. I'm not playing with you. I'm telling you to step to the front of the car. I'm not gonna tell you again. Why are you looking at me like that? Do you not understand what I'm saying?
I was not doing nothing bad. What did I do wrong?
What did you do wrong?
Yes.
What do you mean, what did you do wrong?
Why do you want me to follow your directions? What was I doing that was so wrong?
Did you not see her peeing in public?
No.
She wasn't peeing. What
No.
was she doing then?
What does her have to do with me?
Okay, just stay there.
I'm not gonna tell you again. Sit down.
Fuck? This is actually crazy.
Is it? You just committed a crime. You're peeing in public. You could be arrested. Do you want that?
No.
Roll down your window. Roll your window down.
You're both gonna end up going to jail tonight. Well, you're peeing in public, which is a crime. Your friend here doesn't want to listen. So the more you guys don't comply, the more likely it is you guys go to jail tonight. It's gonna be all fun and games until you're in handcuffs. That's why you're...
At this point, things could still turn out okay if anyone just backs down. Instead, the tension keeps rising, and every sarcastic remark pushes everyone closer to a breaking point.
Why you're smirking and laughing over there.
Yeah. You're the one who mentioned fun and games, right?
Stand up and put your hands behind your back. Sit down.
Please.
Sit down, dude.
Y'all are actually insane. I miss you though. Can you get a picture? You should get a cute picture of me.
Sit down, dude. Huh? Let's go. Let's go this way. This way.
I love you.
Anything in your pockets? Interesting. Ain't that something? I just picked up a couple more charges, friend. Have a seat.
Now, with both girls separated, the officers do their best to keep control and avoid escalation. But the second girl isn't having it. It's a reminder that some people will resist authority, no matter how minor the original mistake.
While they were booking her, the other girl was still refusing to get out of the vehicle.
Respect goes a long way. All you guys have to do is listen to us.
You mind coming down to 50 Central? Snell wants to speak to you.
You're probably right. I better have. You can throw her in a car. Throw her in a car.
Can you tell me what's going on tonight? Okay.
So her we didn't see driving, but she had the intention. When we pulled up, her friend was peeing, so they tried to jump in the car and take off right away. She put the car in reverse and wanted to, but we stopped her. So there's the intention of driving.
Sure. Okay, ma'am. I'm Sergeant Johnson with the police department. Okay, so you are being detained. You're not free to leave. Everything's been recorded. Okay, if you resist arrest, force will be used against you. Okay, so you're under suspicion for DWI. Okay, so you're gonna have the opportunity to do field sobriety tests.
Her friend has 57 on her too, so they could be doing that.
You need to step out of the vehicle and you have the opportunity to do field sobriety tests, ma'am. Okay?
Y'all do not have permission to...
Okay, that's fine, ma'am. I'm glad you came out here, okay? So I'm gonna give you the opportunity to do field sobriety tests, okay? I can smell the alcohol in your breath. So would you like to do field sobriety tests, ma'am? Everything's been recorded. I'm Sergeant Johnson with the Albuquerque Police Department. You are being detained. You're not free to leave.
It's very obvious. You said you smelled alcohol on my breath.
Correct.
As soon as I stepped out of the car.
No, ma'am. The window was open. Did you forget?
No, I have it recorded.
Okay, everything's been recorded, ma'am. Okay.
Yes.
You are being detained. You're not free to leave. If you resist arrest, force will be used against you. Okay. Do you understand? Mm-hmm. Okay. So now we're gonna come over here. Okay. You have an opportunity to do field sobriety test. You want to do field sobriety test, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. We're gonna have to do it actually over here. Let's see. Just follow me, ma'am. We're gonna go over here, okay? Okay, ma'am, would you like to take off your sandals?
I guess
okay.
so.
Let me see if I can find an area that doesn't have as many rocks.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead and put on your sandals again. We'll walk over here. Okay, so you're probably gonna have to take off your sandals because they're too tall,
There's
okay?
dirt?
No, ma'am, because of the sidewalk. There's nothing on the sidewalk, okay?
As the sobriety test drags on, the mood turns from playful to outright confrontational. The officer tries to explain, but gets met with eye rolls and more pushback. It's frustrating to watch so much energy spent just to get through basic steps.
Okay, so ma'am, how many drinks did you have tonight?
2.
2? 2 what?
Margaritas.
Okay, and do you have any medical conditions that affect your ability to balance?
No.
Okay, so ma'am, if you want to, you can put your phone here, but you're gonna have to do the field sobriety test, okay?
Okay.
So you can record, you can place it wherever you like to, but...
I'd like to hold it.
Okay. Okay, go ahead and stand here. Okay, turn around. Place your feet together, hands by your side. Okay, what you're gonna do is you're gonna follow the tip of my finger with your eyes. Do not move your head, do you understand? You said you had no medical conditions, right? Mm-hmm. Okay.
Kind of hard for me to look up there without moving my head, but okay.
Okay, ma'am, what I'd like to do is place your left foot in the imaginary lion, place your right foot to your arms by your side, just like this. You want to get in this position, so your other right foot needs to be in front, okay? You're gonna maintain this position until you start the test. This is part of the test. Do you understand? Okay, so ma'am, you have to say yes or no.
Yes, I suppose.
Okay. What you're gonna do is take 9 hit-or-toe steps. It's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 9. I took 3 steps, you're gonna take 9 steps. You're leaving your front foot in place because here's the small steps, make the turn, and walk back 9 hit-or-toe steps. 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 9. Every time looking down your feet, can't allow the 9 hit-or-toe steps.
So 9 steps.
Keep your arms by your side.
And then turn around and do the same thing?
Starting with the left foot in the imaginary lion, right foot hit a toe, and your first step is 1. Once you start the test, do not stop the test. Do you have any questions about the test?
1, 2, 3, 4 to 9
Correct.
steps. Turn around and do the same thing?
Yes.
Can you show me the 9 steps?
Yeah, I just did 3 steps and
I know,
3 steps back. I can't.
Could you show me the 9?
No, ma'am. I just said I did 3. You're gonna have to do 9. Okay?
Okay. I was wondering if you could show me 9.
No, I can just show you 3, ma'am, like I just did.
Oh, so I have to show you something, but you can't do it.
Ma'am, remember everything's been recorded, ma'am. Okay?
Yeah, no, it was a question.
Yeah, and I just said I did
nothing-
3. I
nothing
did it
crazy.
even
It was
twice for
just
you.
a
Okay?
question. It was just a question. I don't
okay.
know why you're getting some type of way. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9.
And then turn. 1, 2, and
Okay, ma'am, go and face me. Okay, feet together, hands by our side. Okay, do not start the test until I tell you to start the test. You understand?
okay.
Okay, what you're gonna do is gonna pick either left foot or right foot. Lift this 6 inches off the ground. Take this, keeping both legs straight. Keeping your foot approximately 6 inches off the ground, parallel to the gun, arms by our side. You lay down your foot and count 1,001, 1,002, 1,003. You're gonna do that until I tell you to stop the test. Do you have any questions about the test?
Wait, how long do I count for?
You're gonna do that until I tell you to stop the test.
Wait, so there's not,
I'll tell you when to stop.
how does that make sense?
So I'll tell you when to stop the test,
But
ma'am.
there's not like just a typical like stopping point that everyone has to take.
No, I'll tell you when I stop, or when you have to stop. Okay, do you have any questions about the test?
I guess not.
Okay, do you
I
understand?
guess that's how y'all do things, okay.
Okay, you may start the test now.
I lift my left
Yep.
foot.
Lift your foot up.
You're about to make a total fool of yourself, but I'm glad this makes you happy.
And time.
The DWI arrest hits hard. Suddenly, the laughter is gone, and the reality of the situation sinks in. You can almost feel the regret starting to appear on her face, even if she's still fighting back with words.
And time. Okay, ma'am, go and put on your sandals. Okay, so ma'am, you are going to be under arrest for DWI tonight, okay?
How?
You'll get a chance to write a breath sample at the prisoner transfer center, okay?
Fuck no.
So listen, ma'am, okay?
No, how
Okay.
did I fail?
So listen, okay? Everything's been
failed.
okay. I'm Sergeant Johnson with the Albuquerque Police Department.
Did I fail?
Okay, everything's been
Did
recorded.
I fail?
Okay, you are under arrest for DWI. Okay, if you resist arrest, force abuse against you.
Did I fail?
You performed poorly, ma'am.
How?
Okay. So ma'am, remember this is going to be played in
How
court.
did I fail poorly?
Okay, so ma'am, this is going to be played in court. Okay, you're dealing with a misdemeanor crime. Please don't turn this into a felony. If you turn it into a felony, then it's going to be
Okay,
under.
just do what you gotta do.
Okay, thank you. Okay, we'll be nothing but respectful to you. Okay, ma'am.
I didn't do anything wrong, so I'm very confused right now.
Okay.
I don't give a fuck. That doesn't make you less a piece of a shit that it's being recorded.
Okay, you have really
Obviously, you don't care if you
ma'am.
recorded
You have
that you're
really
a piece
small
of
wrists.
shit,
Okay,
huh?
so please try not to slip your cuffs.
It does
Okay.
not matter to you, huh, that
Okay.
you're a piece of shit.
Sit over there. Oh, okay. So you really want to pick up extra charges?
You told me to sit here.
I told you to sit over there. So what's your name? Why are you smiling?
Because you look funny.
No, okay. So what's your name? If you make us go,
I have the right to remain silent.
Okay. Well, you still have to identify yourself. Because I'll get your identity either way. I'll go get you
Yeah.
fingerprinted.
Okay.
And I'll do the whole 9 yards.
Yeah,
then
and I
you'll
have
pick
the
up
right
extra-
to remain
And
silent.
then you'll get extra silly charges, and I'll do it.
Wait, so if if I remain silent, I'll get extra charges?
If you don't identify yourself.
So she'll get extra charges?
Yes, because.
Identify herself?
Yep. What's your social?
Your mom.
Yeah, you look like your mom did a good job.
Your mom didn't.
Hey, look who's here and look who's there.
He said at least I get to see my true girl tomorrow.
We don't.
Because we can tell you what else you look.
So what's your name? What's your name?
Jesus Christ.
Okay.
Jesus Christ.
¿No sí? ¿Habla español?
Sí.
All right. That's cute. We're gonna get your name either way, just so you know.
I know. So what's the hassle?
Just make it easier. Make it easier for yourself. Don't pick up extra silly charges.
Should give it to you or no?
I did. I gave him
What's
my
your
info.
what's your social then?
I gave it to
You
you.
repeat it like in like
I
1
told you
second.
go watch the recording. I told you it.
649. Okay.
Hey, ma'am, can you come with me this way? I want this one.
Like the 2 tourniquets, the chest seals,
What was I doing so
face
wrong?
tourniquets, scissors.
That's not my fault, It's not my fault. So what am I being arrested for? Somebody else can answer that for you. But I mean, I was not driving. I've already told her that. One have seen the next.
Put her in the cage. Yeah. Which one of you want to go in the cage?
What?
You guys can be sitting together, so we're not to go in the cage.
Why?
You guys can be sitting together.
Why?
Because I said so.
Well, I'll sit right there. Well, what does matter? I'll sit right here then. The fuck? That's crazy. Lovely.
It's crazy. You're 21 and picking felony charges.
I don't have a camera, so I'm not.
Quit talking, okay? I already told you. Who wants to go in the cage? You guys say one more word.
This is the turning point. The kick happens in a split-second, rash decision with serious consequences. In that instant, you can hear the mood in the room shift from tense to truly dangerous.
Alright, get in the cage then.
Oh, okay, no. You're not gonna do that. Now you picked up a felony charge. Go ahead and have a seat. I love you.
I'll make Kevin do it. Kevin, there you go. Get approved on this. In case they need a female for this lane.
Spawn kicked me.
You did.
He's just like,
Oh, here.
almost made the slice of pizza come out. Huh?
Is your chest okay?
No, because you never send me pictures.
You're live.
Yeah. I said send me pictures of like memes.
I know.
After the chaos, there's only regret and exhaustion. For everyone involved, officers and suspects, one bad night will be remembered for a long time. Sometimes, a single moment changes everything.